Hi, this is Billy from Williamsburg Honda again. Today we're going to be going over the econ button. I have a lot of customers ask me what the econ button is, and a lot of people have been misinformed as far as what it is. We're going to take a little more time and go over it, let you know what it actually does for the car. Okay, so I've drawn some diagrams here to give you a little visual on how the econ system works. A lot of people think that it does all kinds of things, and salespeople tell them everything under the sun. That it cuts off cylinders, it makes the car run on lean or things like that. What the car does, when you have it on the econ button, it changes your throttle response, your cruise control, your air conditioning, and also the transmission. Now the throttle response, what it does is it changes not at the beginning of your throttle response or not at the end. So not at your taking off or not at your full throttle. It changes the middle of your throttle response. So when you're cruising down the interstate, things like that, you're going to have a little bit softer pedal, but you're going to get better gas mileage. Cruise control. It changes your cruise control. How does it do that? It doesn't allow the car to kick down as quickly. So when you're going up hills, a lot of times the car will slow down because it doesn't want to kick down and waste the gas. So if you cut the econ system off, your cruise control will act more normal. Air conditioning. How does it affect the air conditioning? What it does is it makes the compressor click off and on more often. So by doing that, it saves fuel. But on the other hand, on an extremely hot day, you get a 95-degree high humidity day, air conditioner is not going to work as efficiently. So what's going to happen is it's not going to get cool in the car. So what you do is you cut the econ button off for a few minutes, let the car cool off, get to a good temperature inside the car. Then you can always re-engage the econ button. Transmission. It affects the shift points of the transmission. So by doing that, it can optimize your fuel economy. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment or an email. Thank you.